Hey there, trader. Sean Kozak here, tuning in again with Tickblaze, and hope you're having a great Friday. Listen, I'm putting together this video because it's time for a change. We've been doing a ton of webinars, launches, algo events, boot camps, you name it, and I promise you, if you're like me, it gets a little exhausting, right? How many webinars can you go to? How many strategies can you trade, right? I want to do something different. As you know, I'm a trader just like you. I'm passionate about helping people. I'm passionate about the markets. But once in a while, it's just nice to be able to have somebody teach you some things that are really valuable in life, very profitable, and there's no strings attached, right? So what I decided to do was I'm going to be putting together a 2-day workshop where everybody can come for free. You and anyone you want to join can come, and I'm going to be trading the markets. I want to teach you a strategy that I've been trading for a very long time, and I've really perfected it to the point where I truly believe this strategy could change your life. And I'm going to teach it to you absolutely free. It's platform agnostic. You can use any trading platform you're using. If you want to trade it for prop firms, you can trade it for prop firms. If you want to trade it for your own brokerage account, you can. The cool part is that I've dialed in the settings where you can scalp it as a scalper. You could day trade it. You could swing trade it. You could even invest using this depending on the fractal rotations that I teach you. And I just want to show with you some trades. I've taken a few trades over the last couple of days in between my meetings and whatnot. And it's just extremely easy. It's so profitable and it's fun to trade. So I'm going to do a workshop. I'd love to have you there. Let me show you a couple of trades here just briefly, and then I'll let you go and you can enjoy your weekend and we can get you coming on the webinar. Okay, so let's take a look here. So I'm going to open up a couple images and let me just grab this here for a second. So I took this trade. This was a trade that I took on the NASDAQ. It's hard to see because it's just on TradingView, but what I'll do is I'll show you the entry. The entry was on this candle here, and then ultimately I exited on this candle here. It was a big move, and this is an hourly chart. So I entered on this candle because the signals aligned and everything was ready, and that was a great trade. Now, I'm going to show you another example. This was an example I was showing the guys on the backside inside of the classrooms that there's a 3-step process, which I'll teach you during the webinar. But during this day, there was 1, 2, 3, 4 killer trades, and wow, was that just an easy trading day. Here's another example of me taking a short on gold. I took the short here, and I bought to cover here, which was a great trade as well. And then there's another one here. This was a great trade. This was on the MES, and I was using trade copiers for this. So I took the short here, and I rode that all the way down. You can see down here I traded that across 4 accounts, which was great. And that's just me with the copiers. Here's another trade I took on the MES, which was going long. So I took the long down here, and I rode that all the way up. That did take full targets, which was fantastic as well. And this was another trade I took on the gold market. So I entered here, and I ended up not getting the full target. I ended up getting kicked out here, and then it hit my base, my break even on that, as it didn't give me the full follow through. But and then this was a trade that I was taking, and I was teaching another class, mind you, and I took this trade, and I was able to show traders the actual entry as well. So today as well on the NASDAQ, the hourly chart was up, which was great. In fact, actually, that's the daily. Let's go down to the hourly for just 1 second. The hourly chart was trending up, which you can see here, and this was the 5-minute. And you can see here on the 5-minute on the MNQ. And this was the setup right here. And that whole trade was today on the leg. And the rules for this strategy are super easy. But the best part is that we use a combination of multi-time frame. We use momentum oscillators, and we use trend concepts. But I'm using the Heiken Ashi bars to enter my trades. And that's the real part of this strategy, is that I'm using Heiken Ashi to time the entries. And I promise you that this is going to be a strategy that you're going to love to trade. So join me for the webinar. Like I said, it's free. It's a 2-day workshop, so I'm going to teach the class, and then I'm going to trade the market with you on several different time frames. We can look at gold, crude oil, the NASDAQ, the S&P. We can look at the futures markets. We can look at some other assets. If you want to look at crypto, it doesn't matter. This strategy works on any market, on any time frame. So have a great weekend, everybody, and have a great week depending on when you're watching this video. I'm just filming this. It's a Friday. It's been a long week, but yeah, I hope to see you guys there. I'm super pumped to trade with you, and once again, this is a free workshop. Join me if you have nothing else going on, and I'd love to teach you the strategy. Take care, traders.